Hey guys, let's get started. So today we'll be doing this problem called build and publish and contain an image with a Docker thing, right? So we are given an application, right? You can find that given application at this given package at this given path, and it already comes with a Docker file, right? Let's go ahead and check the Docker file for this thing, and it's foobar, right? So you can see that it already comes with a Docker file over here where all the specification come on how to build that and all requirements, how to run that for all everything is actually provided for you. So you don't need to write something from scratch itself, right? So yeah, so far so good, right? And what we need to do is that we need to use this Docker file to build a container image, and we need to publish it to the remote repository under this given tag, right? So some of the things which you need to be aware of is that this is the given repository. It's not something it's not something public. You need to take care of it. And we have a username over here, which is Eximus Labs with the given password, and we can log in before pushing the image over here, right? So a couple of things has been specified. So let's go ahead and quickly build this Docker image, right? Let's provide some name to it, foobar with the version 0.0, and actually the last parameter which is over here is actually denotes the path to path, maybe something like that. And since we are already present in the current directory, we can just specify a single dot, and that should be sufficient enough for us to build it, right? So, okay, I don't want to prepare it. So eventually, let's go ahead and check if we can find a given foobar images over here or not. It might take couple of seconds just to build this given image, right? So what we need to eventually do is that we need to go to this given repository and then we need to publish it. So we have completed the first stage of our challenge, right? So let's quickly go ahead and see we can find our given image or not. Like we had named it foobar. So yeah, you can see over here that there is a foobar which is present over here, right? And that's pretty much it, right? That if you think that's pretty much it, then no, there is further thing which you need to do. So optionally, you can go ahead and create a tag. So the tag will specify this remote repository name itself over here, right? What is the remote repository name? .com .foobar, right? And after once we have specified the tag, we need to since we are generating a tag for this thing, okay, this would be a latter parameter. The first parameter itself is the name. So for the folks who are confused, we can just go over and quickly show you that. So here we have a tag images. Where did it go? It should be somewhere over here. Tag. So okay. So this is how the tag works. It creates a tag image target that refers to the source image. So first is the image target image, right? Since we have specified the target image as the foobar itself, so let's create a tag for this given thing, right? And let's specify the registry name itself over here. Registry dot com foobar version 0.0. Okay. So we have created a tag at this point, and the only thing which we need to do over here is that we need to go ahead and log in, and then eventually we need to push it over the given repository, right? So the tag is itself, which contains the registry domain name, and then it contains the namespace of the image, and then it contains the version of this image. So everything is very clear in this tag, right? Because if someone tomorrow, right? So let's say that someone tomorrow comes out and wants to understand, hey, what is this image, right? So eventually you can see that this image is just referring to this foobar itself, and it's very clear that it's meant for a registry domain, which is private, right? So that eventually it's very clear over here. So that's why reading this foobar itself will not give some clear-cut ideas. And in future, if you're let's say that 1 year down the line, if everything your server is going well and you come back read the foobar itself, it will not give you the idea that, oh, where is the remote repository over here, right? So yeah, with all of this clear, let's go ahead and log in. Then go. I have no idea how the login works actually. So okay, login works like this, right? We need to specify the we need to go and authenticate the registry. So the registry itself is registry dot eximus dot com, and we need to specify the username over here. So username which they have provided is Xmas. Xmas. So let's type the password. Okay, it's showing some failure, that error response from a daemon cat registry. Did I type the spelling correctly? Registry.ixmas.com. Okay, okay, it's foobar. I missed the foobar over here. Now it should do. Still failing. Let's understand why it failed. I'll try to type this correctly at this point. I'll just copy paste this thing, and okay, the username is this. I messed up here. And let's type here. So okay, login have succeeded now. So we can go ahead and push the given image, right? Let's go ahead and push this. Let's see if it works or not, right? So eventually you can see that the image is eventually published, and we have completed this given challenge as of now, right? So that's pretty much it about. So as you can see over here, that even I was not perfect. Like I didn't knew most of the things. So eventually I could use the login.help just to get a clear cut idea how we can eventually approach this problem, right? So the benefit, like, if you're confused that why did I specify this tag registry, right? Because it's important that when you're trying to push it, we need to explicitly say that okay, this given container image is meant for this registry host, right? And we need to specify this version number to ensure that we don't end up mismatching our version itself. So yeah, that's pretty much about it, right? And I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you. Thanks.